Hey there, I'm Alexis and I've been a Chime member since 2021, and this is Chime Guides. Life happens, unexpected expenses come up. You want to know that you're covered without having to pay extra fees. We've all been there. SpotMe fee-free overdraft coverage can help. But first, what is overdraft coverage? Overdraft coverage is a feature that lets you spend more money than you have in your account. So if you're running low on funds, you can swipe with confidence knowing the purchase will still go through. That's where SpotMe comes into play. SpotMe from Chime covers your purchases and cash withdrawals fee-free, so you can swipe with confidence. Traditional banks charge an average of $27 for this service each time you overdraft, but Chime will spot you up to $200 fee-free on purchases made with your Chime card and even cash withdrawals. You automatically pay back the amount covered with your next direct deposit. Think spending safety net. You start with a combined $20 limit, which is perfect for things like coffee, groceries, or gas, and can be increased up to $200. This limit can be used across any Chime card where you've enrolled in SpotMe. Here's how to get it going. First things first, make sure you're eligible. SpotMe just needs a qualifying direct deposit into your Chime checking account every month. Once you've got that unlocked, go to SpotMe from your app's home screen where you can learn more about SpotMe and sign up. You can also turn on SpotMe from your settings. Chime lets you select the amount of overdraft coverage you want up to your limit. Use SpotMe and put that overdraft stress to rest. Now, let's talk about SpotMe Boosts. If you follow Chime on our social channels, you might have noticed a bunch of boost talk going down. So what are they talking about? SpotMe Boosts let you help your friends and family while also adding to your own SpotMe limit. You can send and receive $4 or $5 boosts a month to increase your friend's SpotMe limit, whether they're Chime members or not. That's $20 in monthly boost power. Boosts never come out of your own limit, and yup, they can boost you back, giving you a temporary boost of even more overdraft coverage on top of what you already get. Here's how to send a boost. To send a boost, simply tap Boost from the home screen to see how many you have left for the month. You can boost anyone, Chime member or not. Just search by name, Chime sign, phone number, or email. Then tap Send $5 boost. You'll see it next to their name. Remember, you can send and receive up to 4 boosts per month, and you'll get a fresh batch every month, so make sure to send them before they expire. So now what? Get in on SpotMe fee-free overdraft and start sending boosts today. For more Chime tips and tricks, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.